Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Successors Power of Next Gen Technologies.
So today also we are going to discuss about the variable operations only. So I am editing the same task. So yesterday we performed some mathematical operations, right? So today I'll show you one thing. Just if you want to add the string, that means if you want to concatenate the string, how you'll do here. So it's not a big deal, simple. So variable operation. So I'm taking a one dummy variable, and here I'm saying automation anyway. So here automation is a word and anywhere is another word. So here you need not to use any explicit functions or operations like plus symbol or concatenate function, these kind of things. Simply you can give n number of words you want. So see now these three words will become single string only. So basically you need not to spend, that means you need not to perform any methods kind of thing. In general, in programming languages, in these kind of things, if you want to concat two strings, you need to use the concat function or method. That's how it will be, but here it's not required. And here, I'm giving F2, I'm selecting prompt assignment. Here, prompt assignment is the local dummy variable which has been provided by automation anyway. Okay, this is not the system variable, it's a local variable only. So it has been provided as a dummy variable by the automation variable. So I'm running from this step. See, it doesn't give any error. So directly it is printing. You may, so as I am entering here directly, it may considering as a single string. So I'm doing one more thing. I'm taking S1 here, automation, add S2 anywhere, and S3 training. So now I have three different variables. I need to concatenate them into a single value. So how can I concatenate them means simple. So here I need to concat them and I need to assign it to a prompt assignment. Simply I am removing this. Here giving S1, S2, S3. So here I am not performing any operation like addition. So in some programming language we will use the plus symbol, right? So I'm not using that, and I'm not using any explicit function as well, like concat function. So Now I'm going to run from this step. Automation anyway training. So this two here is typed right two as well. That's the reason I got two. So like this you can concatenate multiple values into single value. I'm running it again. Yes, it's fine. So here I want to show you one thing. So here as of now this assign is okay. What's about reinitialize? So it has been disabled as of now. When it will be enabled? Okay. When it will be enabled means we'll do one thing, and I'm taking a array variable array. Here I'm selecting array type, and here I'm going to say 2 by 2 matrix array. So here I can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Same. Now I'm going to perform one variable operation. So here I'm going to select varray. See, this time assign is available as well as reinitialize also available. So assign means, so here I want to change the second row, second column to so some other value I will say a, and I'm going to print that same value in the message box. So what is that? V array. So here I am going to second row, second column. So run from this step. See, it has been replaced. Got. So that is the assignment. So basically you are assigning this particular value to this position. But if you go with the reinitialize, you will able to reinitialize entire array. So I'm not satisfied with the 2 by 2 matrix. So I want to go with 3 by 3. See, I have the reason I have 9 values. Okay. So then I'll go in this way. Here I'll do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So like this, you can reinitialize your array and you can use that. So now I'm going to run. Let's see what it should give the E. Yep. See, it's giving E. So like that, reinitialize will work. Okay. And show you one more thing. Variable operation. So here I am selecting this time I'm going to select a list variable. But list variable also you can see here. I'm selecting the second position, and here I'm saying so by default my list variable values will be like this. So here my value 1, my value 2, like that. It will be there up to 5, I think. See, let's see, up to 4, 5. So now what I did, I am saying in this my list variable change the second position. So here I am giving the second position, here I am giving the new value. So I'm saving this. So how we can print the loop, print the list by using a loop. Here I'm selecting the list. So here I'm selecting my list variable, and I'm going to say, so I'm removing this and I'm giving F2, and I'm selecting my list. Once I selected this, I'm running from this step. See, in the first iteration, it is giving my value 1. Second iteration, oh sorry, I should run from the top, because this assignment should happen, right? So I should run from this step. And number 12, my value 1. See, it's became automation. Earlier it was my value 2, right? Now it's became automation. My value 3, my value 4, my value 5. So like this, you can reassign a value in list. So you need to select the position of the list variable, and you can reassign. At the same time, you can reinitialize. Reinitialize means you can say earlier 5, right? 5 values we do have. So now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to do only 3. So I reinitialized those 5 values with the this 3. That means what it will do, it will erase all those 5 values and it will insert these 3 values into that particular variable. And I'm saving this. So now it should give the 3. See, first AA and BP, now UI path. Next, it is not going to give you the, what's that, my value 4. Now it will terminate the loop. See, that is about reinitializing. And one more concept is there. It's called here, if you see here, system variable. So I'll discuss about this after some time when we are going to discuss about system variables. As of now, we are working on user variables, or we can say local variables. This is about variable operation command. Like this, it will work.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to get regular notifications.